going on, guys? I'm gonna make my omelette. Show you guys how I do it instead of that short little clip. 3 eggs. A white container, fork, garlic powder, onion powder, some hot sauce, some ground beef that before you make, you take the skin off, oil the pan, frying pan and all that, etc. Then you take all that, you break it up into small pieces into the frying pan with the oil, and blah blah blah. Anyways, not gonna show that, but yeah. Usually I don't have a fork or anything, but whatever. I know you guys can't see the whole thing, but if you guys are wondering why there's that over there, it's because I'm supposed to be getting renovations done to my place. You guys are wondering. And it hasn't been happening yet, so if it was going on, I wouldn't be able to use my kitchen. And if anybody's wondering, I used to use bagged milk, which most people think is weird here in Canada, but I actually use powder milk and then I just mix water in with it. So like 1 cup of powder milk to like a full thing of fucking water. And I think I put a little too much milk, but whatever, it doesn't matter. Keep that aside. Throw in the onion powder now. Garlic. Not too much, just a small amount. Same with the onion. Well, it technically doesn't matter how much, but whatever. Mix it up. Got some hot sauce. And with the hot sauce, when it's cooking and all that, or whatever you want to call it, after it's all done, you won't even be able to taste the hot sauce unless you put like a lot. But other than that, yeah. that's still running. Should have actually grabbed a spoon, but I'll just use this, I guess. Usually I use a bigger spoon, but and it really doesn't matter how much you put of this sausage stuff, but yeah. Ugh. Some Italian sausage, hot Italian sausage. Alright. Now, I throw it in the microwave for a minute 10. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Bam! Throw it in for a minute 10, take it out, mix it up a bit more, throw it back in for like a minute 10. When it's done, see how it looks. Maybe it might need like a few extra seconds, then throw it back in, then it's done. And yeah. Actually, I'll be there. Take it out. There'll be some pieces, you just want to chop them up. Throw it back in for another minute 10. Could have actually made it here. Whatever. Could have made it over there and you guys could see. But, yeah, I don't know. I don't know how this is gonna look on cam, but yeah, as you guys can see, it's a bit juicy. Yeah, it's juicy stuff. So I'm just gonna throw it in for a few more seconds. 25 seconds. 25 seconds. Look at me on my bread. Yeah, sure. Take another look. How is it? Oh man, come on. Another 25 seconds because I added a little too much milk. Yeah, man, come on. Whatever. I'm not gonna worry about that. But as you can see, sure there is a bit of like juice there, but that's nothing. Alright? So got that. So what I do is I go around the side, loosen it from the side, boom, boom, boom. Then I dig under a bit. So it's all perfect. And now what I do is I make a line in the center, cut it through there, grab a slice of cheese. Put that on like that. Grab your other piece, slap it on like that, and then hopefully it's still running because my phone's about to die. And then boom, there's your omelette. Other than I added a little too much milk, but other than that, nothing sticks. Didn't have to use butter or anything like that. Now this is usually a pain in the ass, so what I usually do is I grab my piece of bread, I grab this, and I go over the sink, put it like this, put it like that. You guys might be thinking like, man, why does it look like that and not like the other side? Because you're mostly cooking it on the bottom and the top is like, you know, but it's still good. So there's your omelet. Get me some salsa from Nick Dix, I guess. Put some salsa on. Throw that in there. Throw that right there for now. Then throw that in there for now. I'll get rid of that after I show you guys this. And then boom. Let's see, where is it? There it is. How you doing? There you go. An omelet out. Have a good one, guys. Peace.